Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 and your windshield wipers guys do not work, or the spray nozzle doesn't work guys, stay with us and we'll explain guys how to fix that, which fuse controls the wipers and the washer pump, all that. We'll explain that today. Also you have a relay guys, that we'll have a video for that. In addition, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know, okay, if that fuse fixed your problem guys. So thank you for watching and let's start on it now. So let me show you how the wipers now do not work guys. Okay, I'm going inside now. We're going to go ahead, turn the key on. Okay, let me grab the key quick. Okay, let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. Key is on. Okay. Nothing. You can see they do not work at all guys. So how we fix that? We turn the ignition off and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse and how to replace it. So by your steering wheel right here guys, you have one cover with it says fuse box on it. You pull it out, pull up, you get it out of the way. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at, okay, let me show you. It's the very last fuse on the right side. Okay, this fuse right here, 20 amp fuse guys. This is the fuse for the wipers and the pump as well. So we get a big fuse puller, okay, like that. Grab on top of it, okay, and pull this one out. Now this one, let me get new battery for the light so I can explain a little bit better. So this fuse guys, usually you can tell if it's good or not by looking at the thing inside through the glass. Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may test them with voltmeter. I'll grab a new one quick guys. Okay, and we're going to push it in now. Okay, push it in. Perfect, like that. I'm going to install the cover because I don't want to lose it. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead and test and see if the wipers, okay, will work now. So ignition on. Okay, and wipers work. And the pump works as well, as you can see. So that was the problem in our case guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.